well today I'm going to repot my San Marzano tomatoes. I put a whole bunch of seeds in this one container and they really need to be repotted. Now unfortunately I left these poor babies out overnight one night when it was still too cold for them, and some of them have a little bit of damage, but there's more than enough of them here to pick and choose the best ones and repot them. And yes, they are leggy. Don't get enough light where they are here, but hopefully I'll be able to put them outside pretty soon. And what happens here now is that with tomatoes you can actually plant the whole stem right in the dirt. Now it's just a matter of separating and getting the best ones out of here. And I really don't want to kill any of them unless and until I have everything I want planted. So now I'm going to dig a hole as deep as I can and get these in there. Not deep enough. That would be the one advantage of not filling up the pots first. Okay, let's try it this way then. Find another really nice one. And I'm not terribly concerned about separating these and removing them from the removing the soil from the roots. Now here's another one that's quite deep, and yes, we can just bend the stem. We don't want to break it, but we can bend it down. And that's doing a little bit better than the first one. I think I'm going to repot this first one. And as you can see, it's quite a bit further down in the pot, and that's what we want. And these ones look pretty healthy. Let's continue. Unfortunately, I did fill these up, and we'll use an empty one here. And there we go. Once again, I've got a nice long brood on this one. It looks healthy. And I have so many of them that I'm just going to take the best ones, obviously. Probably going to try to get 24 plants here. That should be adequate for my needs. Maybe I'll plant more, we'll see. Sometimes it's just difficult to decide which ones should live and which ones you dispose of, but you can't always plant every one of them. Okay. And we want to get the best ones first. The strongest ones, because they should have a better chance of survival. Okay, there's one. There's another. There's a few good ones here. I also have grape tomatoes, which I plant, and normally I plant more grape tomatoes, but this year I plan to can all my tomatoes rather than buy any. Who knows if there's going to be enough of them available for sale to buy anyway. There probably will be, but I think the way things are going, we want to be as self-sufficient as possible. Okay. Now, separating them now allows me to take the best ones first. That poor thing suffered. Okay, we'll put these guys aside. And see what we've got first. Okay, I'm thinking at this point that we've got the best of them here. And I'm going to repurpose this soil back into the tomatoes. Okay. Start off with the plant. Now, as long as these get a lot of light, they won't get leggy again. And all that stem will also develop additional roots. Certainly look much healthier being repotted. Okay, I'm going to continue along with this until they're done. Got quite the job ahead of me. Okay, we'll get back to you later.